asking is swallow after what over 7 million rands na forget. We see Brazil where batoboda. And yet you can't establish yourself. How stupid can you be? Ebe ya swallow after what we go na. We bule ke batoboda. We liegi. We liegi. After what? That's 7 million rands. Just ki we put the after we na the mad ni. Na the whole world ni. Na souls chuku keno wa ni. Why can't you establish yourself? In Azufia for years, 10 years in on South Africa. Still in Abelo. You can ask what the affair. Why can't you use that money? 700 million rands or 7 million rands, whatever. Use it to establish yourself. Me pay schools. Banye car dealers. Go to see car, be sending markana body Uber. A lot of things. Okay, you like a chemical business, right? You like chemical business like Ogru. You like Creatumos. They may pay pharmacists. Yes. There's a lot of things you can do with that such amount of money. Than to will with it and 8 bits. You will destroy millions of people, their life. 7 million or 700 million rands. I feel what to that amount be too much. It will destroy your souls. And I'm not that 55-year-old Nigerian guy, Igbo guy, BSc from Brazil, now but Johannesburg here, Alotambo here, Akuchie. It didn't feel like you don't need my for you, or you don't need a portfolio or whatsoever. I'm alone. We so but we not bata with it. After what it did again. Kiwe bata me be souls. From Brazil to South Africa, to and fro ticket can be $2,000. That's a lot of money. Each input after what to the kiwe will you know how many souls he had damaged with that amount of affair? You see, Nemese Nankegi, Pulo Bimo Puteno, but that's a waggy, no yabali. Or if you try one, because he been when he dig, I would take the affair, go after you damage in the mud, the name of Nina Chuego. You can still use this money to establish yourself, who can be in a very leash way. So many things he get met. So many things he get met. Una akpoku zina akpoku na ego ni. Okwa afia na ewe sie na ebe jidere onya ho gago. That money abugi fe na ni. That na abugi fe na ni. Ifo kanzu zunula. Unu bo mu nwoke. Unu ko mu nwa mara ife. How fast ke ije ke ife na emezi ege ana ni. Oye si otu ana ni. N'ike nke Chukwu onye si otu a na n'iyi because ọ na afia dị otu a batara obodo a gazie souls anakwa n'iyi na emebi souls onye si otu a na n'iyi n'aka unu